Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khas Hills District uba Vivek aim ha kabaydey ba ka Jingjia kabalja ha Ladmawreng bar ha Pyndensohsaw. Uloong ba kini baro kidi ka Jingjia na ka Jingdan ka social media ha ka ba kibriyo ki lakbanchna ya ki khana. Henry uloong ba na kalang ki pulit kidang Tohkit ya kini la kidey ba Shisha na em. Henry uloong ba kani ka Jingjia kabashuja kinsan hadien balaja ka Jingjia ya hybrid insapira but ong bakidan ki bamut ban rabor ki ha kapor bakilit school ni kilit tuition kalong ka bakhampen klumar bar kidang wat jingtip la kadei ka Shisha ne em USP ulong balada kini ki Jingjia ki dei ki Shisha na kalang ki pulit kin sa bateng ban Tohkit.
So what led that boy to narrating that story?
He saw that everybody had come out, everybody was livid, they were angry, he just a distraction, he made up the story of this black Scorpio and masked men without anything.
And with his makeup stories and more makeup stories coming out, that some Scorpios, black Scorpios in Ladmawreng and some Maruti van in
Pyndensohsaw.
Those cases.
That is a pattern which is very disturbing in fact now, because with social media and all that, people can easily come up with a story also. Of course, these claims are being inquired right now. Our officers and teams are inquiring whether these claims are true or not. But this pattern of coming up suddenly after this case of children, and also you see the pattern is when they are going to school or whether they're going for tuitions, that somebody is trying to abduct them is disturbing, and it also we require to find out whether it is true or not. The veracity of these claims need to be inquired.
I have these cases registered.
Been just reported today. Most of them have been reported suddenly today. A number of them being reported everywhere today. So they're being inquired. If there is anything which is concrete and which is actually the veracity is true, then we will register a case.